How to turn off always on display on Samsung One UI 6.1. Don't want the always on display feature to be on all the time and drain your battery? No problem. Although the always on display is a very useful feature, some users do not like it and find it bothersome. Let's solve that in a few steps. First, open Settings. Then scroll down. Find and open the lock screen and AOD field. Here you'll find the always on display feature, which is turned on my phone. To turn it off, you need to press the always on display field. After that, press the toggle button in the top right corner. And the always on display feature is turned off. From now on, there will be no time and date information on your screen when you're not using your phone. I believe your battery will last longer too. And that's it. I hope the video helped you. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel and join the digital family.